Okay, so for this part of the project, I am going to be mapping one side of my object. So my object is the base station meter. Some of the major features are the peg legs that it has and the space underneath of it. Some of the bolts here. There's a slight dip because of the writing here. But other than that, it's pretty shaped the same way. And I will basically be doing a couple of measurements. Key locations pretty much is down here, this section here, and then up here. The one thing that's going to be a little deformed is that when the laser hits the black part up top here, it's harder to read, so this part here and this part here kind of blanks out. So I'm assuming that when I do the 3D point cloud, I'm going to see dashes here. It's going to be harder to see, but I'll try to compensate it with the HSV mask that I put on it. So I'm going to start and do a couple measurements here so that way you could see. I'll start here at the bottom with the legs. And then here on my screen, if you look, I'm using the Arduino's IMU chip connected to my Arduino and having it run through my Raspberry Pi. And over here it keeps the measurements for me. So the angle running through the front side at the bottom is about 30 degrees. So I go in here where I'm running the Python data collection.py code. The IMU angle is 30. Then it's going to pull up the window to show me what it looks like. I'm going to take a look here. And I want it to encompass the whole sign. So before I record it, I'm going to adjust it a little bit. I want it to come a little closer actually. Okay, so now I have it adjusted. So if you look at the screen here, you see that it actually encompasses the whole bottom of it there. So then I go back to the pi reading. The angle is actually 21 degrees now from back here. So what I'll do instead is I will exit this one out. Because I didn't take the editing into account. So then I'll run it again, now that it has the correct information on there. The angle is 20, so do a 20-degree angle. And if you look at it, it covers the sign perfectly. So now I hit M to save it on there. Then if I go back to this one right here, it asks me for the next angle. Shift it a little bit up so I can get the bottom part of it. Not too much, just a slight tad. Then the angle changes to 17. I'll put 17 in here. It's gonna pop the image up again. Shows that it's shifted. Save that one with the M key. Guys, wait for it to register it and then just continue to rinse and repeat the process. Give it a slight shift here. The new angle is, it's around 15, 16. Looks like it wants to stable out more around 16. So I'll hit 16 as that angle there. It's kind of just going to repeat the process there until I map the entire sign. And then that's about it.